Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I just saw the new Saw X trailer, known as Saw 10, the last film of the Saw franchise. And today I am going to be calling this number on my phone. And I wonder if I could get a voicemail from the from John Kramer, and let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I just called it. Put on speaker. Oh, damn. Ah, crap. Why did I do that? I gotta do that again. This time I'm gonna put it on speaker.
Hello there. Thank you for reaching out. A very brave thing to do. I hear that you're looking for a restart, a cleanse. But I must ask, are you sure this is the right path for you? What you are about to experience will truly put you to the test. A test unlike any other that you faced before. If you'd still like to proceed, simply text, "I want to play a game," to this phone number for your first challenge. Good luck.
No way. I cannot believe that was him. Holy moly, oh my god. I cannot believe that was John Kramer that just said that. What the hell? Oh my god. If you guys haven't seen the new trailer, please check it out and comment down below what your reaction is and subscribe to my channel for your and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more. That was that was so creepy that I just heard that voice from John Kramer. Oh my gosh. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video and comment below. Thank you.